A name that becomes an identity that becomes a distinction that embodies excellence, an excellence that becomes a legacy. More than 6 decades of service to the nation and continuing to deliver mega turnkey projects. HRL always committed in nation building. Habib Rafiq is a symbol of commitment and professional excellence through projects of national and international importance. All projects have been delivered with distinction, which in return have won the confidence of the clients, elevating the credibility of HRL and placing them amongst the leaders in many sectors. For over 6 decades, Habib Rafiq Engineering Private Limited (HRL) has transformed expansively. For real progress to happen, society needs companies that fill unique gaps and address specific needs. HRL has proudly expanded to different fields of operation: engineering and construction, real estate, mining, special economic and technology zones, agriculture, green energy, education and healthcare, information technology services. HRL's commitment to innovation and expertise bridges our expanded horizons, uniting excellence seamlessly. Power and energy. 2 into 660 megawatt Jamshoro coal-fired thermal power project. Extension of nuclear power plant K2 K3 Karachi. 1180 megawatt combined cycle power plant Bhiki. 1223 megawatt combined cycle power plant Baloki. 2 into 660 megawatt coal-fired power plant Sahiwal. 2 into 660 megawatt coal-fired power plant Bin Qasim. 747 megawatt power plant Guddu. 724 AES Lalpir oil-fired power plant Muzaffargarh. 412 megawatt combined cycle Roosh power plant Abdul Hakim. 400 megawatt power plant Unit 7, 8, 9 Kot Addu. 300 megawatt combined cycle power plant Guddu. 400 megawatt power plant Guddu. 200 megawatt power plant Kot Addu. 225 megawatt combined cycle power plant Head Baloki. 234 megawatt combined cycle power plant Muridke. 125 megawatt Sabha power plant Sheikhpura. 22 megawatt Jabba hydroelectric power station. 14 megawatt Naltar hydropower plant. 20 megawatt wind and solar project. 25 megawatt KAMC power plant Tabuk. 6 by 5 megawatt power plant Farasan substations. Chemical and petrochemicals. Parco Mid-Country Oil Refinery, 100,000 BPD capacity. Atak Oil Refinery, Rawalpindi, 30,000 BPD capacity. FJFC Urea DAP Ammonia Fertilizer Complex, Diwan Salman Fiber Acrylic Plant, De-Dusting System, Kasim Cement Company, Coca-Cola Beverage Greenfield Project Multan, Faisalabad, Hattar, Tetra Pak Packaging Plant, Sundar Industrial Estate, Lahore, Nestle Agron Dry Milk Packaging Plant, Buildings. Forest Weed Residential Apartments, Lahore. Tricon Corporate Center, Lahore. Convention Center, Islamabad. Creek Vista DHA Karachi. Bahria Heights, Karachi. Bahriya Icon, Karachi. Pakistan Institute of Parliamentary Services, Islamabad. Saudi German hospitals in Medina, Riyadh.
Abha.
Saudi German Hospital, Yemen. Airports and Aviation. Multan International Airport. Road housing and infrastructure. DHA Gujranwala. DHA Multan.
DHA Islamabad. Bahriya Town,
Lahore.
Islamabad, Rawalpindi.
Cabinet Division Employees Cooperative Housing Scheme, Islamabad. Lake City, Lahore. Widening and strengthening of National Highway N70 DG Khan. Tosa Laya Bridge. Multan Metrobus Project. Lahore, Sheikhupura, Faisalabad Dual Carriageway.
First BOT Road Project of Pakistan.
Lahore Ring Road. Kohat Tunnel and Access Roads Project. Savan Oil Gas Field Access Road. Water Resource and Engineering.
Water supply to Islamabad from Khanpur Dam.
Environmental. Common Effluent Pre-Treatment Plant for Tanneries, Kasur. Hub Water Treatment Plant, C4, Karachi. Sewage Treatment Plants, Islamabad. Real estate. As HRL's legacy encompasses the creation of picturesque royal orchards in Multan, Sahiwal and Sargodha. HRL has successfully trailblazed into real estate and leading the charge is now developing the country's first and largest smart cities. Capital Smart City, Islamabad. First largest smart city of Pakistan. Lahore Smart City, second largest smart city of Pakistan. Mining. Sensitive to the escalating demand of critical and strategic minerals, HRL forays into the mining sector. Notably, HRL has achieved backward integration construction sector through the acquisition of Dandot Cement Private Limited in Jhelum, alongside developing greenfield cement plants in Punjab of 6,000 tons per day capacity, which are Anfal Cement and Global Cement. HRL also owns exploration license in famous Kyora Salt Range of Punjab and has one of the world's best pink Himalayan rock salt deposits. HRL is also exploring for copper, gold and lithium through Capital Mining Limited in mineral-rich province of Pakistan. Special Economic and Technology Zones. Our economic zones fuel industries. We are developing Smart Special Economic Zone near Sheikhupura, having state-of-the-art infrastructure. HRL is establishing Pakistan's largest special technology zones under Capital Silicon Special Technology Zone and Lahore Silicon Valley, which will spur the technology innovations in Pakistan. Agriculture. On the agricultural front, Capital Organics Limited ensures food security by adopting sustainable farming techniques in Punjab and Balochistan. Green energy. Heavy electrical complex via Capital Power. Education. HRL's impact extends to education via Smart Capital University.
Information Technology Services. Khazana Enterprise, a recent addition to HRL's diverse portfolio, is an innovative player in the IT sector. In a world driven by technology, Khazana Enterprise emerges as a beacon of innovation and excellence in the realm of information technology.
HRL is constantly striving to achieve the highest level of quality and environmental control over its projects as well as its corporate operations. Today, HRL stands tall and firm over strong foundations of repetition and trust, strengthened by highly qualified human resources, state-of-the-art electromechanical resources, served with distinction and customer satisfaction.
Embodying our commitment to a sustainable, thriving future. HRL, committed to a sustainable future.